So Cooking with a Twist is a hands-on and interactive cooking class studio. All of our customers go on our website, choose the class of choice. They have a certain list that they can choose from for the recipes, and come in and do 4 recipes, and the adults normally are 4 and 5 full courses here at Cooking with a Twist. So we do a lot of diverse classes here at Cooking with a Twist. We may do a Mexican class, a Cajun class, a seafood class, a Southern class, vegan class, Mediterranean, Italian, French. We have so many classes for our customers to choose from. It just depends on what kind of class they want to take. And most of the time, it depends on if they're celebrating something that weekend and they see the menu. If they like it, they're going to register for it. If not, they'll book a private party, choose their own menu, and they choose mostly Southern or Cajun or something with seafood in it. About 90% of the classes and the recipes were developed by myself. I've had other chef instructors who have been under contract to ask if they could use the recipes, and if it's approved by me, then we'll use the recipes. But I just choose what classes I think will be really good for Cooking with a Twist that I think people will enjoy, and we put them on the website and people register for them. So I've been a chef for over 20 years. I moved to Houston in 2001. Before I moved to Houston, I lived in Montgomery, Alabama, where my family is. And I worked in a hotel and did the food for banquets, things like that. I also managed a soul food barbecue restaurant in Montgomery. And that's really where I got a lot of my experience. Managing that restaurant, even coming up with recipes for that restaurant, and doing a lot of catering for the university and also different churches around Montgomery. Then when I moved to Houston, I started catering first. I was still working for corporate America. I worked for corporate America for 10 years in marketing, but I was working for corporate America and I was catering at the same time. And it just became overwhelming. So I wanted to choose, talked to my husband. We were a little scared at first, but in 2012, I decided to leave corporate America and I did my catering full time. But I needed to add some more income, so I started doing cooking classes in homes for couples, and I named it Kitchen Romance Classes. So the Kitchen Romance classes were featured on Great Day Houston about 3 times, and we just got really, really, really busy. So I decided to open up a studio, and I just took it from there. We developed this cooking class, we developed a routine, and here we are. We've been rocking and rolling ever since. Great reviews on Facebook and Google and Yelp. People love Cooking with a Twist, and I am very, very appreciative of all of our customers. And it's something about, coming to the table as strangers, you're gonna leave as friends. I see it all the time. So something about cooking and bringing people together. So definitely check us out. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We're here, so definitely check us out.